Hello everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. My name is Buddy Blackford, and today we're going to learn how to create a channel mask from scratch. Now, say you're working with an image like this one here, and you need to create a channel mask out of just the people in the canoe, and the canoe as well. Well, when you go to try to make a selection, oops, that's not the selection tool. When you go to try to make a selection, you get something that is kind of like this and doesn't really work all that well. Maybe you want to go in and just end up painting this out yourself. So you would do something like go into the channels and then create a new channel, but then you're like, ah, crap, I can't see what I'm doing anymore. So that you're like, oh man. Well, you're on the right track if you've gotten this far. All you need to do is enable the RGB, and you can see now that there is a red overlay going on over the image. Now you may think, what the hell is going on? I have red all over, but that is good. It's the red part of the image is what's black in your alpha right here in your channel mask. So if you go ahead and zoom in, you can start painting. Let me zoom in a little farther. You can start painting in your image here as long as you have the alpha channel selected. And whatever starts getting revealed is is going to appear in your channel mask here. And I can start painting, and when you paint in white, that's when stuff's gonna start getting revealed. So I can start painting out his arms and everything here, and you can see now on the mask there's some color is starting to come through on it. You can probably see it better if I start painting like bigger areas besides just like a paddle and stuff like that. And let's turn on the panel options so we can see it better. Hit OK. There we go. And now you can see that some of the stuff is coming through. Now, if you mess up like I did and you go way too far over, you can just switch to black and paint back, and it'll paint out the parts that you don't want to include. So you can create a channel mask from scratch using this method. And it's good to know how to do things from scratch if you can't figure out how to do something using the quick methods and quick techniques. It's good to know how to do it from the base up. So eventually what you'll end up doing is painting white onto everything that you want to have revealed, and painting black onto everything you don't want to have revealed. Now, I'm not going to waste my time, or waste your guys' time, I mean, by going through and painting this entire thing perfectly, because that would take probably like an hour or something, maybe even more. But you guys get the idea now. So use this technique to your advantage when pretty much all else fails and you can't get a good selection. Go through with your paintbrush and go in and start painting out parts of your image that you want to save. So that's how you create a channel mask from scratch and use it in your channels section. So thanks a lot for watching this tutorial, and have a good one, everyone.